Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are cleaning the movie room and cleaning the outside of the house. We are closing it down for summer and getting ready for fall. We did fall behind on some of our yard work just because sickness hit our household, so we were kind of sluggish and just taking care of our baby. So we didn't get a chance to do a lot of cleaning. So I started off in the movie room, and I was just sanitizing everything, wiping everything down, because my daughter was actually getting better around this time. So I just wanted to do a deep clean in there. So here my husband was taking down the pool, and I want a bigger pool, but we were doing a test run with this pool, and I'm telling y'all, a pool is a lot of work. You got to try to keep it clean, try to keep bugs out of it, frogs out of it, all the things. And it was a little bit to upkeep this pool, so we're going to have that same pool next year, just until we get in a routine of cleaning it and things like that. Here, I was moving the cars out of the way so that we can cut the grass over there in that area. So I was just getting them out of the way. Y'all, I planted mint right in the front of the house. So it just grows like ridiculously wild. And we had some fake flowers out there because we just didn't want to put any real flowers out there. Anything with low maintenance is what we was looking for. But now I'm thinking that we're just probably going to plant some bushes out there and just call it a day, because it's ridiculous, and the mint is going to keep growing. So we just, want to pick some, we pick some. If not, we just weed eat it. It grow right back. So it's not like we're going to be missing anything. But yeah, I had did an herb garden probably about 3 years ago in the front, and the mint was just invasive, and it was only in that area right there, but now it grows all over the place. And fun fact, I laid those bricks right there to make a walkway, and I'm gonna dig them up because I was an amateur when I did it, and so we're gonna start over and level it out. But those bricks, they were on sale at Home Depot. They were like $4 for $1 or $1 brick. But we bought a whole bunch of them, and I made a little walkway. I think I did pretty good. I must say. But yeah, just knocking that mint down. So the weed eater and my phone actually died while I was recording the rest of the outside cleanup, but the weed eater did go dead, and so I had started cleaning the pool, and we were able to get the pool and the bouncy house cleaned and put up in storage. And we'll be finishing up yard work this week. We've been eating whole foods, no processed, no bread, and y'all, we really have been having so much energy to get things done. But I hope you guys have a good day and see you next week.